Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to our DreamView channel. Now I am going to tell you about Mitashi 46L Direct Cool Single Door 2-star refrigerator. First I will tell you about the features. The key features are capacity 46L, compressor type reciprocatory, performance 2-star for saving energy up to 20%. Defrosting type direct cool, which is economical, consumes less electricity and requires manual defrosting. Specifications: generally in the box we get one refrigerator, user manual, warranty card. Series: direct cool, type single door, refrigerator type compact refrigerator, number of doors 1, power consumption 60 watts, warranty 1 year on product and 5 years on compressor. Cost price 6540 rupees only. Friends, to get more interesting videos, do subscribe to our DreamView channel. Please like, share and comment below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.